Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without invite link. So first of all, open the Telegram application here. So for this, first of all, we need to create a group. Tap on this pencil icon, tap on this new group, add some members like this. Click on this arrow and now you have to give a name to your group. I'm going for this links to join and tap on this check icon. And now once you have created the group, go ahead and then click on this add members and then click on this copy invite link. Then what you have to do is on your message just paste it and now remove the second part of your link and then just skip this and then just type whatever you want. So for example, like if you type here burger, tap enter, then this is like a group and then if we tap on this link, it will direct us to a person or group. But for now, let's just go back. And then if you don't have the invite link for a private channel, but you know the username, you can just paste it here and then just remove the second part and add that part and you can easily join it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.